Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can troubleshoot Forza Horizon 6 crashes. So first, you need to go ahead and open your Steam application on your device, log into your specific account, and then after go to the library section from the left-hand side, which is between store and community. Then select your Forza Horizon 6. As I do not have it installed on my device, I'll be showing you with a different game. So right click on it and then select properties. Then after go to installed files and select verify integrity of the game files. Then after you need to adjust the graphics settings. Open the Windows search bar and type in graphics settings and open it. In the graphics settings, disable hardware accelerated GPU. Once you toggle this option off, click on add desktop app and click on browse. Find and select Forza Horizon 6 and then set the GPU preference to high performance. Go to options and select high performance. Turn off the optimizations for windowed games for Forza Horizon 6 as well and update the graphics driver. For that, you need to go ahead and open your device manager. Then after, go to disk drives, select your driver and right click on it and select update driver. Also go to your settings, then select update and security, select Windows Update, check for updates, and if any updates are available, go ahead and install it on your device. So hopefully this steps will resolve your Forza Horizon 6 crashing issues. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.